A good evening, boys and girls. Welcome back. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in today's newspaper on Friday, May the 31st, 2024, the last day of May. And I've already solved two puzzles in this additional, the 2 stars and the 4 stars Sudoku. Both of those puzzles has 24 printed digits. All right. We have 2 puzzles left. The Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic, in Dutch they call it Cipher Block, in Japanese Suguru. But you are interested in this one, the Binary Puzzle. The Binary Puzzle number. This will be number 8635. 8635. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 17 printed digits. Should be an easy one. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a column or in a row, there are 4 O's, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4 ones, 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, so let's get started. Double O, here one, there one. Double O, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. Double ones, here no, there no. Double O's, here one, there one. Double ones, here no, there no. 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 Double O's, here one, there one. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Double O's, here one, there one. Between 2 O's comes an 1. Between 2 ones comes an O. Between the ones comes an O. Between the O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Then 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double 1 here, no, there, no. Between the O's comes an 1. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the ones comes an O. 4 ones we have here, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes an 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 ones, so the rest are O's. Then, well, we have here 1, 2, 3 ones. If I place number 4 here, then we have 3 O's in a row in this row. Not allowed, one of the rules, so this can be 1, this should be no. Double O, here one, there one. Double 1, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Then, let me think. I know between a 1 and an O with 2 empty boxes between, there's always an O and a 1 there, but they do not know in which order. So we have the first one, second one, third one, fourth one. So that box should be an O. Between the O's comes an 1. And 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s, so the rest are O's. Double O here, 1, there 1. Double 1 here, no, there no. Between the O's comes in 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1, so the rest are O's. Between the O's comes in 1. Finish in 3 minutes. Well. We solve it again without comparing. And I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the 4th and last puzzle, the 4 stars Jigsaw Sudoku. Until then, bye bye for now.